What's up, guys? I'm back with another part 2. And as you know, when I first started, when I left, I was sitting on this. Yeah, you remember this thing when I said I was running out and I was about to collapse. I just sat on here. Yeah, you remember that. And I'm still sitting on it. But it's just snowing, son. I'm gonna get up and start walking. Because I don't know. Where's my bless you? Huh? Where's my bless you? I just sneezed. Where's my bless you? No bless you? No bless you? Okay. No bless you? No, I said no bless you? Okay. Okay, no bless you? Okay. No bless you? No bless you? Alright. Please give me to a lot of subscribers, likes, and comments if you want another part 3 of it. I mean, I would be playing this a lot on my gaming channel. I will be playing this a lot. I will be playing this a lot. You didn't know. I don't like collapsing because people just take this stuff. They don't take anything from me. Oh, yep. Stop it right here. Stop right here. It better not collapse. Can you get an apple? Can you get an apple? Take my apple. Now what I'm eating. I guess I'm just collapsing this. I got on my back. Now coming. Alright. I'm just collapse.
Not enough stamina? Why wait? I can help you get to the next camp right now.
I need help. I'm hoping that nobody steal my stuff. Please, nobody steal my stuff. I just collapsed. Yes, look at my heart thing. It's about to be full. No! Yeah, give my stuff. Give my stuff. Take my stuff, bro. Start blinking. Wish you could blink on this thing. I'll blink him. I don't know, blink his head and tell you. I wish you actually could crowd that. Then when you just start blinking. I'm just walking. I think I'm in there. Cooking the door. I'm gonna run actually so I can find the camp cooking actually. Oh, find the egg. Let me know the whole egg, bro. Apple!
Have you seen this? Watch an advert.
Yes. Please let me watch an advert.
This Academy introduces your child to a whole new world. They choose quests that reinforce what they're learning at school. Language arts, geography, geometry.
I know this game already.
They have learned so many different things.
Alright. I have to watch an ad, y'all, so I can do this thing. This. I made it back! Yes! What's my reward? You gotta give me a reward, bro. Winter Star I made it back. And you didn't know.
Well done.
Go look at
Here's
my
a
first
reward
video
for you.
from the start thing. And you will see me
Now choose a new
I
quest.
turned around and looked at that boat. And you saw that boat. That's when I was in the thing. That's when I was in the sun thing. But now I'm at a different boat now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to the other video, just like I said. Oh, I know. Just make sure don't forget. Subscribe and like. I'm just letting y'all know. Letting y'all know. Alright, I'm about to get up and go into the boat. Ooh. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. This guy's still here. Furnace a house. Let me see what they're talking about furnishing a house. Why can't I not go across the sea? Can you see it? Oh no, no. I'm supposed to do this. They're gonna spot me back every time. Oh. Let me get up right quick. Let me see if I can do something quick. Oh yeah. Just look at that bird though. I want to show you how the bird look. Look how the bird look. What do he look like? Tell me what he look like. You can't tell me he don't look like what I'm thinking right now. Start with a D, and the R, and the U, and the N, and the K. Spell it out. D-R-U-N-K. Spell it out. Yeah, that's what it look like. Anyways, I'm in right here. Just a reminder again 3 times. Subscribe, like, and comment what you want if you want me to make part 3. Bye.